on their website, even though they claim 6-in-1 device, they also say 4 modes. And I'm like, why is this so confusing? I posted Asia Booster Pro tutorial and tips last month, and now that it's been 4 weeks, I wanted to share my honest review. I didn't get sponsorship, and I'm not associated with medicube in any way possible like I shared in my last video, which is why I can share critical opinions. I'm just a person who loves skincare. First of all, the result. What's the point if it's not effective? My simple answer to this is yes, it has been effective, but there is a caveat, so please watch the rest of this video whether you should buy this or save some money. Obviously, this is a home use device, so I shouldn't expect something drastic like I could get from plastic surgery or even a procedure. But still, medicube advertised as this device has improved skin radiance, discoloration, skin tone, hydration, and decreased pore count, dead skin, pore visibility, improved smile lines, necklines, etc. and reduce double chin and sagging skins. You can find more on their website, which is medicube.us, but let me cut to the chase and give you some more information that is not biased. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ellie, and today we're diving deep into my honest review for the HR Booster Pro by medicube. I'll share my personal experiences and science behind electroporation and some critical insights that I believe you need to hear before deciding if this device is right for you. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more skincare tips and honest reviews. So I've been using the HR Booster Pro for nearly 4 weeks now, and my feelings about it are mixed. On the positive side, I've noticed significant improvements in my hydration. My skin feels softer, glowy, and smoother. Additionally, my skincare product seems to absorb more effectively, which is definitely a plus. However, the initial unboxing raised some concerns. I found the packaging to be underwhelming and lacked essential safety precautions, which left me a bit skeptical about the brand's attention to detail. This led me to question the overall quality assurance process and has nothing to do with that minimalism. Let's talk about the booster mode, which helps your skin to absorb active ingredients from skincare products. Booster mode is for electroporation. So, what exactly is electroporation? It's a technique that utilizes high voltage pulses to create temporary pores in your skin cells, enhancing the absorption of skincare ingredients. While this sounds impressive, I know that increasing product penetration can also lead to cell death and potential toxicity if not used correctly. While medicube taught the hydrating benefits of this device, I couldn't find comprehensive studies backing up their claims. Some sources suggest that while electroporation can enhance absorption, it can also increase transepidermal water loss, which is TEWL. This is concerning because if the moisture is being pulled from the skin rather than retained, it could lead to dehydration and irritation over time. I've noticed some questionable practices in medicube's advertisements, particularly how they engage influencers to promote their products. While many users claim to love the device, including myself, I wish there were more transparent peer-reviewed studies detailing its long-term effects on skin health. After conducting my own research, I found that while electroporation is generally safe when performed correctly, the risks of high-voltage treatment are often under-discussed. A review from the Journal of Dermatological Treatment emphasized the need for rigorous testing before launching devices like this. Additionally, I discovered that some of the studies cited by medicube were duplicated, leading to inflated evidence supporting their claims. One study from 1999 was misstated as being from 2021, which raised concern about the reliability of their sources. Another thing that's super confusing to me is that on their website, even though they claim 6-in-1 device, they also say 4 modes. And I'm like, why is this so confusing? Do I have to read every single thing on their website to understand what this is? Aren't you supposed to make it easier for me to understand? There is a section on the website called 4 modes, how it works. I clicked it and it shows the 4 modes I know and something called customized vibration care. So okay, let's say that counts as 1. Where's the last one? If you know what the 6th thing is, please let me know in the comment section below. Let's talk about their mobile app. I think I told you guys I've been a personal trainer in my weight loss transformation video, but I've also been a product designer, UX designer in my 20s as well. So this is gonna pull out my expertise in this field. It was easy to connect with my device, which is great, but this app is supposed to exist for users like us, and on their home, which is the first page you land, it's losing almost every point that could have connected me. This app is not helpful to users. What do users want? If they already bought this device, because people who haven't bought this device will not land on this mobile app. As a user, we want to get the most out of this one device. This is a home device, meaning you have to be consistent with uses to see the result. And yet, I don't see anything that can help me with consistency. On the top section, it has weekly calendar that is not adding any value but taking up a lot of space. Also, it is pretty annoying not being able to see the history of my device, like the records, unless my device is turned on and connected to Bluetooth. I'm not going to connect Bluetooth every time I want to access my history. Think about a fitness app, for example. You can see progress, which motivates you, but this app feels like once you bought it, that's it. Based on my experiences and conversations with other users, the responses to the Ager Booster Pro have been varied. While some users reported positive outcomes without any side effects, others experienced issues like dehydration and skin tightness after use. For instance, one user shared that they didn't experience any side effects, but emphasized the importance of selecting appropriate serums, specifically steering clear of oil-based products and harsh ingredients. Conversely, another user voiced concern over skin irritation, which made me reflect on how each person's skin reacts differently to such devices. So, what this tells me is that you need to know by your skin pretty well to get the most out of this device. If you're my sister, I'm going to tell you to make sure you use this device with at least one product that you know it works very well for you. And if you're not sure, pay attention to the next part. A crucial aspect of using Ager Booster Pro is understanding which serum to pair it with. Some studies suggest that certain active ingredients may exacerbate irritation when combined with high voltage treatments. For instance, using retinoids or acids may not be advisable when employing this device, as they can irritate sensitive skin and lead to adverse reactions. I recommend opting for a gentle, hydrating serum without potent active ingredients when using the device. And always, patch test new products before using them with the Booster Pro or even without it, just to avoid unexpected reactions. While many users have raved about the Ager Booster Pro, or should I say influencers, it's essential to be mindful of the potential risks associated with its use. Based on my research, the high voltage pulses can sometimes lead to skin redness, irritation, and in severe cases, burns or nerve damage. I'm going to put down the scientific research in the description, so check that out if you have time. Also, feel free to let me know if you have a different opinion as well. Medicube conducted safety testing in-house, claiming compliance with dermatological safety standards, but I find the credibility of such claims questionable. Independent studies are crucial to validating these results, and I encourage you to approach such device with caution. In conclusion, the Ager Booster Pro has the potential to enhance your skincare routine, but it comes with caveats that I believe every potential buyer should consider. I highly recommend doing thorough research and understanding your skin's unique needs before making a decision. This device is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and individual experiences may vary widely. Also, it's not cheap. If you found this review insightful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and skincare tips. I'm eager to hear about your experiences with the Ager Booster Pro or any other skincare devices you love or are skeptical about. Comment below with your thoughts and let's have a discussion. Thank you for watching and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Remember, taking care of your skin is a journey and I'm here to support you every way, every step of the way. Until next time, stay beautiful. Bye.